Hi, happy Monday. Welcome back to Chats with Chase. Here's today's tip.
This week is going to focus a bit more on the simulation side of things. We want to test out if this new canoe design will work. Before we can do that though, we need to tell the program what material it's made of. Let's say we come in here to assign a material to the body, and we're browsing through all of these listed ones. But we know there's a special in-house material we use that isn't exactly like any of these pre-listed ones. I have in mind one that our company uses that's proprietary. I want to add my own, so I'll scroll through the custom materials folder here. If you don't see one, you may need to come in and create a new library as well. But within my custom materials library, I'll create a new category which I'll name My Materials. I'll right click on that as well and select New Material. This should bring up a window where you can choose what type of model you want the material to be based on, which can make for some interesting behavior. You can also change its default units, name, description, and you can fill out this list of properties for materials. If you really want to get into it, you can link the value of these properties or have them be temperature dependent. For now, I'm just going to keep the default, which is a generic ABS, as an example. In addition to these physical properties, using these tabs up here, you can change just about everything about the material. You can add tables and curves to define how the property is temperature dependent, change its 3D appearance, its cross-hatching and drawings, its custom properties, notes, add it to your favorites list, and change all sorts of sheet metal specific properties. For now though, the main properties are fine, so I'll save it and apply it to the body. You can see that the appearance changes slightly to this default gray plastic texture.
Thanks for watching. Please contact us with any questions, and I'll see you tomorrow.